mga kapeksi, welcome again to my vlog. TVD.
Ma'am, yung list of name nasa
Ito baba, pinakababa.
Manila paper.
Begin.
So for number 1, we got the expression 3x squared over 6x. Now to solve that, we are going to write out the factors, which are 3 times x over 6 times x. Tapos, then we are since 3 and 6 have a GCF of 3, we are going to divide 3 by 3, which is going to be 1, and then 6 by 3, which is going to be 2. And then we also have common variables in the numerator and denominator, which is x. So we are going to cancel 1x, and we're going to the variable that's going to remain is just 1x. So our final answer would be 6 over
6.
x over 2.
Okay, next. Are you a member?
I will.
Okay. Okay. Go. Argel.
Alright, now moving on to number 2, we have the problem 8b squared over 10b, in which we have to basically just simplify it. Now, as Sharon said earlier, we have to basically simplify it. So, how many b's are there in b squared? 2. And in 10b, there's only 1. Now,
We're gonna do is just simplify this. So we're gonna find the GCF, which is 3. So divide the numerator and denominator by 3. So equals to x squared over 2x. And then the law of quotient po minus subtract the exponent of the numerator from the denominator. So the final answer is x over 2. And then number 2, 8b squared over 10b. We're just gonna do the same thing po because it's the same. We're gonna find the greatest common factor, which is number 2, and then divide 2 from the numerator and denominator, which is going to be 4b squared over 5b, and then minus the subtract
this by using the FOIL method. So first we will times inside. So 3b squared times 2b is equal to 6b squared.
X has a common factor, which is 3. So we divide both of these by 3, and we got 1 and 2. Since 1 is already given here, we will only write x squared over 2x. Since we're going to follow the quotient rule of the law of exponents, x squared will, the exponent 2 will be subtract to the invisible 1 exponent, which is the reason why the answer is x.
5 times 2 plus 1. And we'll just simply simplify it. F of 2 equals, first we will compute first where inside the parentheses, which is 2 squared.
To be able to get the answer, we need to use the FOIL method. So first we need to multiply the 3b squared to 2b. 3 times 2 equals to 6, and then we add the exponent of the variable b. That's why we get that b squared. And then we multiply the 2 times 4.
The technical problem is if f of x is equal to 4x minus 5 and g of x is equal to 2x, find fx and gx. So in here, the solution is we substitute the values of x into fx and gx. So we will have 4x minus 5 times 2x and 2x. We will use the FOIL method here, 4x times 2 and 5x, 5 times x. Like 5 times 2.
It's not
times 4 is 12b squared, then the outer is
f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. Since we have to find the function of 2, we will substitute the number 2 to the x's here po. So it will be
So here we have f of 2 equals to 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. So we're going to change the x into 2. So we're going
to 1. So there's a divisible 1 of it. So the answer is x squared. Then 6 divided